In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Draw.io as an image. If you've finished creating your diagram and you want to use it in a presentation, document, website, or simply share it more easily, exporting it as an image is a quick and practical option. In Draw.io, which is also known as diagrams.net, this can be done directly from the top menu inside the diagram editor. Once you're inside your diagram, go to the menu bar at the top of the screen and click File. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, hover over Export As. This will open another menu where you can choose the image format you want to save your diagram in. The available options include PNG, JPEG, and SVG. Choose the format that works best for your needs. PNG is usually a great choice if you want a clear image with good quality. JPEG can be useful for smaller file sizes, especially if transparency is not important. SVG is ideal if you want a scalable image that stays sharp at any size, which is especially helpful for web or design work. After selecting your preferred format, an export dialog box will open. This is where you can adjust the export settings before saving the file. You'll be able to set the zoom level, which affects how large or detailed the exported image will be. You can also choose the size option, such as exporting the full diagram or the page, depending on how your content is arranged. In the same window, you may also see a checkbox for a transparent background. If you want your image to blend nicely into other content without a white background, this can be very useful, especially for PNG files. There is also an option to include a copy of the diagram. If you want the exported file to contain embedded diagram data for future editing compatibility, you can leave that checked. Once your settings look right, click Export. A new dialog box will appear, allowing you to choose the file name and the location where you want to save the image on your device. Rename the file if needed, select your preferred folder, and then click Save. That's all it takes to save a Draw.io diagram as an image. It's a simple process, and once you've done it once, it becomes very quick to repeat whenever you need to export your work.